package. Prism Wedding Films.
Hi mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-chuples, kumusta kayong lahat? Ito po si Ronnie Liang.
Hello mga ka-chuples, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Toast at kasama natin si Ma'am Crisette.
Hi everyone! This is Crisette from Fedici.
And Ma'am Crisette, regarding pala sa event na to ma'am, is ano pala yung pangalan ng booth nyo ma'am?
Fedici po. So that's the name of the company.
And ma'am, ano pala yung sino-showcase or hina-highlight nyo dito sa event na to ma'am?
We offer cocktail food. So for charcuterie, we have actually different stations available. We have a lot actually, but can I discuss the promo? For Toast Bridal Fair, we offer the 5-in-1 promo, which is charcuterie station, cheesecake, pasta station, and juice station. For the 5th station, guests can choose from the other available stations that we have, which is we have Wagyu, chocolate strawberry station, champagne station, pizza, croissant, burger and canapé station, and dessert and pastry station. We also have 4 souvenirs, which is flower bar and perfume bar.
And Ma'am Crisette, regarding pala sa mga packages or sa mga in-offer nyo sa mga client na nandito ma'am, is ano pala yung parang pinaka-best choice or parang rin-recommend nyo para sa wedding or any celebration nila ma'am?
Actually, the promo kasi, since yung 4 stations are already parang by default na siya available, they'll choose na lang dun sa 5th station, which is ang top choice talaga ng mga client namin is either chocolate strawberry or the Wagyu station.
And ma'am, ano pala yung parang minimum ma'am para sa mga ganito ma'am?
The least is 50 packs. On our promo, we have 200 packs, but it's customizable as well depending on the number of guests that they will have. Pero the least is 50 packs.
And saan pala location ma'am? Kung kunwari Manila, Laguna, and kung sa ibang site naman or sa ibang location, may additional transport po ba?
We are originally from Cavite. So, within Cavite, Metro Manila as well, and Tagaytay, we don't charge any transportation fee. For Toast Bridal Fair, we offer free transportation fee going to Antipolo, Taytay, and then nearby parts of Laguna like Calamba and Binyan. And then for other parts naman, like minimum lang, starting from 2,500. Farthest na inquiry so far in Toast is La Union, which is 7,000.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa inyong mga packages and promos ma'am, syempre ito ay last day na ma'am, is magkano po pala yung parang down payment usually kapag sa event po ma'am?
We ask for 10,000 down payment to book the date or to block the date, and then the balance a week before the event.
And ma'am, meron po ba kayong physical store just in case na gusto muna nilang ma-taste test yung mga items or product nyo po?
Yes, we have a store in Mall of Asia, 3rd floor in Food Hall.
And ma'am, meron po ba kayong mga upcoming events na naka-line up po? Kasi last day na po ngayon sa Toast.
Right now, we haven't finalized, but we're looking at different bridal fair as well, pero wala pang final dates and venue.
And ma'am, ano pala yung social media or any contact para just in case may other inquiries or other concern po yung ating mga audience po?
You can find us in Facebook or Instagram, fedici.ph.
And once again, thank you ma'am Crisette.
Thank you!
햇살이 너무 좋아서 그냥 모두 좋아서 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello sa inyo mga kachupos.
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-chupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng World Bex at kasama natin si Engineer Dong.